The answer to yesterday's question was Bankfoot. Shoutouts go to TJ_GG, Sam Travelblogs in the northeast of England, Cam Does YT, RD Transport, Exploring Buses, Trains and Planes in the UK, and Jack's Transport Content. A lot of correct answers for this one. Well done for answering the question correctly. And here is today's question. Which station on the Sunderland line actually opened slightly later to the rest of them? Leave your answers in the comments below. You might have to do some digging to find the answer.